So what's it like being a plumber?
It's not your typical 9 to 5, that's for sure. You never know where the job will take you. Take the time I got called out to Giza.
Giza?
Yeah, while they were building the pyramids.
You're kidding.
Nope. Picture this. The desert was blazing, sand whipping everywhere. They needed water for the crews, so I hauled in coils of copper and started threading lines to pipe.
No way.
Sat right on his throne while I tightened the last fitting. When the water hit that pool, he actually smiled. Gave me a nod like I just built another pyramid for him.
You got a royal thumbs up.
Pretty much. I even plumbed a little fountain in the tomb so we'd have running water for the afterlife. Talk about job security.